Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about InWin's new A3 and A5 PC series. So friend, InWin has launched its new A3 and A5 PC series for compact and powerful micro-ATX and E-ATX PC builds. And friend, following minimalistic modern design traits of popular InWin A1 series, the new A3 and A5 provide new opportunities for PC builders to maximize support for larger hardware while retaining the smallest footprints. And friend, both support high-end graphics card up to 340 mm long, high efficiency ATX power supply up to 200 mm long, plus space for multiple 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch storage devices. Up to 5 fans can be installed in a bottom to top airflow, providing ample cooling opportunities. 240 mm AIO liquid cooling radiators can be optimally placed at the top of the case, exhausting the heat directly from the chassis. And friend, the compact size, vertical airflow layout, super upgrade option, and modern design aesthetic set the bar for a superior PC systems. And friend, Speedy front panel IO connectivity includes the latest USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C connector, offering 20 Gbps of wired performance to external peripherals and accessories such as external drives. And friend, other connectivity includes two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A 5 Gbps plus 3.5 mm HD headphone and microphone jacks. And friend, the front IO is placed on the top of the chassis for optimal accessibility. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.